The indoor blower is still running, but the outdoor unit will not start. This is a very common problem during hot summer days, and one of the most common causes is a bad capacitor. Let's go through the symptoms and the troubleshooting steps one by one. Step 1. Check the outdoor unit fuse. Before opening anything, always turn off power to the system. Many systems use two bullet-shaped fuses inside the disconnect. If one of these fuses is blown, the outdoor unit may not receive power. Step 2. Check whether the fan spins freely. With power completely off, gently spin the outdoor fan blade. If the fan spins freely, that is usually a good sign. If the fan feels stiff or seized, there may be a problem with the fan motor bearings. Step 3. Check the contactor. Next, let's look at the contactor. The contactor is basically a heavy-duty electrical switch inside the outdoor unit. When the thermostat calls for cooling, the contactor closes and sends high-voltage power to the compressor and the outdoor fan motor. If the contactor fails, the outdoor unit may click but never actually start. Sometimes you can visually inspect the contactor for burned or damaged contacts. Step 4. Check the capacitor. Now let's check the capacitor. The capacitor is usually a metal cylinder or oval-shaped mounted inside the outdoor unit. One common sign of failure is a swollen or bulged top. A healthy capacitor normally has a flat top. If the top is puffed up or leaking oil, the capacitor is bad and should be replaced. Also, if the outdoor unit clicks but fails to start, that often points more strongly to a bad capacitor than a bad contactor. The clicking sound usually means the contactor is trying to engage correctly, but the compressor or fan motor cannot start. Capacitor replacement. Before replacing the capacitor, make absolutely sure all power is disconnected. Take a photo of the wiring before removing anything. Then disconnect the wires carefully and replace the capacitor with one that matches the exact microfarad rating and voltage rating. After installation, restore power and test the system. In many cases, the outdoor unit will start normally again immediately. Closing. A failed capacitor is one of the most common and affordable central AC repairs. With careful troubleshooting and proper safety precautions, this can be a manageable repair for many homeowners. Thanks for watching and stay cool this summer.